In the last video, you saw this line of Python that computes the sum of 3 and 5. The plus sign in this line is an arithmetic operator. Python has several arithmetic operators, most of which follow the usual rules of mathematics. Let's look at the first four. In Python, addition and subtraction are performed with the usual symbols, plus and minus. Multiplication uses an asterisk, and division uses a /. Here, you can see that multiplication happens before addition. This is because Python follows mathematical order of operations, which you can get a refresher on in the notes below. If you want addition to come first, you can enclose this part in parentheses. Moving on from those four, here's the operator for exponentiation. You can raise one number to the power of another with two asterisks. For example, this line prints 3 to the power of 2, which results in 9. There is another operator that is sometimes mistaken for the exponentiation operator, the caret. This actually performs a more obscure operation called bitwise XOR. This is an arithmetic operator that doesn't follow the usual rules of mathematics. Bitwise operators are not something you need to know for this course, but if you're interested, there's information about this in the notes below. All you need to remember is that if you perform exponentiation, you use two asterisks, and not with a caret, or you'll accidentally produce very confusing results. Another useful operator is this percent sign, which performs the modulo operation. It returns the remainder after you've divided the first number by the second. In this example, 9 divided by 2 is 4 with a remainder of 1. So this line would print 1, since modulo gives us the remainder. You might also find use for integer division, denoted by two /. It divides one integer by another, but rather than giving the exact answer, it rounds down the answer down to an integer. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, which rounds down to 3. Notice it rounds down even if the answer is negative. In this case, negative 3.5 was rounded down to negative 4. There are other categories of operators that we'll learn about soon, but these are all of the arithmetic operators in Python.